Hello, and welcome to another edition of Ask ENS. We're here to answer the questions you ask us both in store and online. Today, we're in the bathroom to talk about the latest in smart toilets. First off, what is a smart toilet? Smart toilets add a level of personalized comfort, which you can't find on regular toilets. Some smart toilets, like this Caroma model we have here, provides ambient LED lighting, which gives you guided illumination for those nighttime visits. Most smart toilets will be supplied with a remote control, which has wash functions built in. You can even program to have different user profiles, different wash settings for different people. You can adjust the temperature or the water pressure, just to your liking. With smart toilets, it has an integrated bidet built in. You might be looking at getting a separate bidet for your bathroom, but there's no need. It's all integrated in the one unit. Now, are smart toilets hygienic? With a whole host of integrated wash programs, as well as self-cleaning functions, smart toilets are the pinnacle of hygiene. It'll open the lid automatically when you approach the toilet, minimizing the need to actually touch the lid, therefore reducing your exposure to germs. The spray one found in smart toilets is self-cleaning, which provides a much more hygienic solution. Do smart toilets save water? Smart toilets are a giant step ahead for the humble toilet. The benefits go well beyond just improving hygiene and convenience. Nowadays, we're finding that smart toilets are some of the most efficient toilets on market, compared to older style models, which can use twice as much water during a flush. The Caroma dual flush system saves a significant amount of water compared to a traditional toilet. Now, are smart toilets suitable for everyone? Yes, there's a smart toilet for everyone, with choice from different heights, different budgets, also different retrofit applications. Regardless of your age, whether you've got a young family at home or if mobility is a challenge, there's a smart toilet out there for everyone. A smart toilet's easy to install. When it comes to installing smart toilets, they can be fairly straightforward even in a retrofit application. Your plumber will enjoy using Caroma's patented uni-orbital connector, giving installation flexibility and the ability to adjust the set out within a 50mm radius. Speak to your plumber and they'll be able to advise next steps. I hope this has helped answer some of your questions about the ultimate in bathroom luxury, the smart toilet. If you want to know more about their features and benefits, visit an ENS showroom and talk to one of our bathroom experts. We look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions you want ENS to answer in another edition, let us know here.